Today, I'm going to show you how to create a navbar in Framer step by step in a simple way that works whether you're building a portfolio, a landing page, or a full website. A clean navbar is one of the first things people notice, and it helps your site feel professional, organized, and easy to navigate. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Framer and web design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Framer project. Once you're inside the editor, you're ready to build the navbar from scratch. The easiest way to do this is by creating a frame, because the frame will act as the container for everything in your navigation bar. On your keyboard, press F to create a new frame. This frame is going to be the base of your navbar. Now that you have the frame on your canvas, think of it as the full navigation area across the top of your page. You can resize it to match the width you want for your website header. For most websites, the navbar stretches across the top horizontally, so make sure the frame is wide enough to hold your logo and menu items comfortably. Next, add your logo. You can use either text or an image depending on your brand. If you want a simple logo, just add a text element on the left side of the frame. If you already have a logo file, you can place that image there instead. The left side is usually the best spot for branding because users expect to see the logo there first. After that, add your menu items. These are the links that help visitors move around your website. Common menu items might include home, about, services, portfolio, blog, or contact. To create these, add separate text elements inside the frame. You can keep them simple and readable so the navigation feels clean and easy to use. Once your logo and menu items are in place, arrange everything horizontally. This is one of the most important parts of creating a navbar because navigation bars need to read left to right. Place the logo on the left, and then line up the menu items beside it or on the opposite side, depending on the style you want. The goal is to make the navbar feel balanced and visually clear. If you want a more polished layout, you can space the items evenly so they don't feel crowded. A good navbar should be easy to scan at a glance. Keep enough padding around the elements so the text isn't too close together. This helps make the design feel more modern and professional. You can also adjust the styling to match your brand. For example, change the font, size, or weight of the menu text. You might want the logo to stand out a little more than the links, so give it a stronger visual presence. If your website has a dark background, use light text. If your website is light, use darker text for contrast. Small design choices like this make a big difference. At this point, your navbar structure is ready, but you should always test it before publishing. Click Preview in Framer to see how the navbar looks on the live page. This lets you check spacing, alignment, and readability. Make sure the logo sits where you want it and that the menu items are easy to see and click. If something looks off, go back and adjust the frame size, spacing, or text placement until it feels right. A good navbar should look simple, smooth, and intentional. It should guide the user without distracting from the rest of the page. When you're happy with the design, click Publish to apply your changes. Publishing makes your navbar live on your Framer site so your visitors can start using it right away. That's really all there is to it. So to quickly recap, open your project, press F to create a frame, add your logo on the left, add your menu items, arrange everything horizontally, preview the design, and then publish it. That's how to create a navbar in Framer. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.